Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Niche, of course, and for today, you don't know, says Patwah Day. Yes, from Patwah to English, and of course, yes, a little bit of history, just a little tips of history about Jamaica and the flag. But you don't know, so this is part 2 from part Madonna. I don't know if you have a problem or something about. We find out, alright? And yes, guys, yes, Jamaican flag, the colors are black, green, and gold. Not yellow, alright, but gold. Watch this now and pre the video. So when you come in a Jamaican here, one penny seat, one penny seat. One, some might say 1 pound the seat, and some might say 1 penny seat, 1 penny seat. You know what simple mean? You soon find out about 1 pound the seat, 1 pound the seat, or 1 pound the seat. But me say pound. Alright? So now, yeah, it means you may come in, please take a seat. You may come on in, please take a seat. Yes, alright. So, I don't know what him face now, but him vex or something. Next on the agenda here. My G, forward now. Me a move now, My G, forward now. Me a move now, My G, forward now. Me a move now, My G, we get a really out of that, don't it? Simple means in English. Sir, come on in. I'm leaving now. Sir, come on in. I'm leaving now. Sir, come on in. I am leaving now. But you come here in Jamaica, I know you might hear it just a little bit depending on where you're from, but you got your 1 penny seat. Yeah, and them something there. And the another one is, look on this now. Yo, come in at this, me at the road. Yo, come in at this now, father. Yo, come here. Come in. Hey, nobody going on that man, leave now. Come in at this, me at the road. No. And sometimes I'm not going nowhere. Nowhere at all. Sometimes you're going to carry you alone and yourself and God and your spirit, everybody up in there. Well, in an English language now, this means come on in and take a seat. I'm leaving now. Come on in, take a seat. I'm leaving now. So yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we have come to another Patwah video. Alright, so don't go anywhere. Watch this, yeah, and listen to the little music while I play and read. Yeah, I have trivia on Thursday, of course, and you may come in to my morning devotion on 6 a.m. every single morning Eastern time. Stay safe. Bye.